Get ready to achieve your Python web development goals with the help of Sonatafy and our talent resources in Latin America. Are you looking for the right engineers to work on your Python web development project? Is your Python web project constrained by the mobility of your software developers? Using Nearshore talent based in Latin America can make a dramatic difference to your success. Sonatafy has tapped into international pools of Python web development talent to identify and deploy experienced and stable resources to support your project. Sonatafy's expertise in nearshore outsourcing will help you find the Python developers you need to reach and exceed your goals on time. Remember, when looking for the right engineers to work on a Python web development project, think Nearshore. Think Sonatafy. Learn more by following the link on the description box below, and check out more videos in our Sonatafy Defined web series.